Good morning, class 6. We are in chapter The Body and its Movement, and today I will teach you about movement in other animals like earthworm, snail, cockroach. Let us start. Animals have different types of skeletons. The skeletons of some animals do not have bones at all. Therefore, the way in which they move are also different. There is two things. First, some animals have different type of skeleton than human being, and some animals do not have bones at all. So the way in which they move is also different. First, earthworm. Earthworms have liquid skeletons. They have liquid trapped in spaces inside the body. The muscles squeeze against the liquid, and this keeps the body filled. Muscles in a worm's body can be squeezed differently to change the body shape. These changes in the shape help the worm to move. If you observe the movement of earthworm, then you see how the upper part of earthworm is first move, then, or we can also say that the upper part of earthworm is first elongated, and then after back part of earthworm is relaxed. Upper part contract, back part relax. See, upper part move, lower part in support. By this way earthworm move. To move, the earthworm first extends the front part of its body, keep the rear part fixed to the ground. Next, it fixes the front part and shorten it, thus pulling the rear end forward. I repeat, to move the earthworm, firstly, earthworm extends the front part of the body, keeping the rear part fixed to the ground, and then fixing the upper part, front part, shortens it, and thus pulling the rear end forward. It carries out such expansion and contraction of muscle repeatedly to move forward. Next one is snails and cockroach. Let us see what is snails and cockroach. Have you seen the shell of a snail? It is like a house it carry along with it. It is a skeleton which is outside the body but is not made up of bones. Such a skeleton is known as exoskeleton. Crabs and insects such as cockroach also have exoskeletons. Exoskeletons give support and protection and also allow movement at the joints. The snail has a thick structure called a foot It is made up of strong muscles. It produces a series of wave-like movement that pushes the snails forward. Cockroach can walk, climb, and fly. They have 3 pairs of legs, and the leg muscles move the legs for walking and climbing. There are 2 pairs of wings attached to the breast, and the breast muscles move the wings for flight. You need to do one thing. Please take a topic, make a topic on your copy, movement in other animals. Write a short note about earthworm, then after snail, then after cockroach. Okay. What is their structure? How they can move? Okay. These all things. Now next one is fish. Okay. So in the topic of movement in other animals, there are so many short notes are there about earthworm, about a snail, about cockroach, about fish, about a snake, and about bird. Bird, snake, fish, cockroach, snail, and earthworm. 6 other animals. The structure and the movement of 6 other animals are given in your book, page number 101 and 102. You need to make short note about each of them.